Exercise 47. The scatter plot in the XY plane above shows 9 data points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Of the following, which best approximates an equation for a line of best fit? In these cases, I can just draw on my own a line that would look like a best fit. Let me draw that in a better way. Or, since we're working with Word, let me use this one. So, this could have been the line of best fit. 3 or even that. That's even better. Remember that when you are trying to do it by hand, always keep this condition in mind. The line of best fit has to follow the flow of your data and should split the amount of data in almost two equal sized subgroups. Right now, above the line, we can see that there are 1, 2, 3 values. Below the line, we can see that there are 4 values. And 2 are exactly on top of the line. So this makes it kind of a good approximation of the ideal line of best fit. Now, what can I see from that? I can directly see that we're talking about a line that increases. If it increases, its slope has to be positive. So this means that I should directly reject C because C has a negative slope. I'm now between A, B, and D. The second thing that should come in mind is the y-intercept. Based on what I did, if I expanded, the y-intercept would be found somewhere here. Because remember that the y-intercept is the value of y when x is 0. Down there we have the 0 value, so this should be the y-intercept. It's clearly not 30 because 30 is somewhere here. It's way above, so we reject A. And it's not D because in D the y-intercept is 5, which is way below. So by rejecting A and D, we end up with B. And that's the right answer for this specific question.